Hi, I'm Millie, I'm a Hobbycraft Artisan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make candles this Christmas using our Hobbycraft candle making products. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. First, measure out your ingredients. To create a large container candle, you will need 180 grams of soya wax. I have used 1 teaspoon of fragrance. If you prefer a stronger scent, you can add a little more. Next, measure your dye. I've used roughly 1 gram of candle dye to create a vibrant red colour. Add the soya wax to a double boiler or microwavable jug and heat up until the flakes are fully melted. Once the wax is melted, insert the thermometer to check the temperature. When the wax is at the correct temperature, take it off the heat and add the dye. Stir it with a whisk or spoon. Then add the fragrance. Stir it together well with a wooden spoon or whisk to make sure the fragrance is combined with the melted wax for an even scent. Take the candle wick and place the base of the candle wick into the centre of the candle container. The wax will dry and this will help to keep the wick in place. Pour the mixture into the candle container. Lay 2 wooden sticks next to the wick resting on the top of the candle container to help the candle wick stand up straight and leave to set. Once set, cut the candle wick about 1 centimetre above the wax. Thanks for joining me for this video. For more project inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for more videos.